How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, right? So now you'll be led here to your chat section, basically all the conversations that you had. Now, on the bottom part, you'll see five different options here. You will see updates, calls, communities, chats, and settings. Tap on the gear icon and you will be led here to your settings. Now, on the second section here, this section, you will see linked devices. Now, if you click on that, under here, you will see linked devices here, and as you can see, I have linked it to one device. So if you want to log out your WhatsApp from that device, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that, and here you will see the activity and of course the log out. Now click on log out here and confirm that you want to log out that device to your WhatsApp. You want to log out that you want to log out WhatsApp to that device. And basically that is it. Now if you check on that device, you will be automatically be logged out. And that is it. That is how you log out WhatsApp from other devices. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.